comparable.
How do you see Russia emerging from this affair?
Well, at the moment, Russia has won the hearts of the people of Bangladesh because of the support she has extended to the cause of Bangladesh. So I think this will promote her goodwill towards the people of Bangladesh.
How do you think the people of Bangladesh feel about the way the U.S. government has handled it?
People of Bangladesh are very much disappointed the way United States government handled the whole thing. When the nuclear-powered aircraft carrier Enterprise is steaming towards Bay of Bengal, we don't think the nightmare is completely over. And we hope Enterprise is not moving towards Bay of Bengal. My own personal feeling is that it is more of President Nixon's personal prejudices towards Yahya Khan of Pakistan and towards Mrs. Gandhi of India. Probably he likes Yahya Khan and he admires him as a friend, whereas he is not particularly fond of Mrs. Gandhi. Probably the entire policy is based on just personal likings and dislikings rather than on the basis of facts.